Paghiwalayan ng mag-asawang Arjo at Maine, trending ngayon sa social media. Fake news nga ba ito? Confirm. Fake news lamang. Nagsalita na si Congressman Arjo tungkol sa issue na ito. Kaliwat kanan, makikita ang pinopost ng mga vlogger tungkol sa hiwalayan ng dalawa. Kahit yung mga batikang taga-showbiz balita ay kinukumpirmang hiwalayan na ito. Pero, nagsalita na si Congressman Arjo tungkol dito at fake news ito. Dahil masaya ang mag-asawa na nagsasama at actually madalas silang nagta-travel dalawa, ini-enjoy nila ang kanilang buhay asawa. Ito ang problema kasi sa atin kung sino yung maayos at masayang mag-asawa or mag-couple ay pinaghihiwalay at yung mga hiwalay naman ay pinagsasama, diba? Pero ito pong issue na to ay konfirmado na po na hindi totoong hiwalay ang mag-asawa at ito ay fake news lamang. Panoorin nyo po ang video na ito. Dito po sa video na nasa ending nito ay mapapanood nyo po ang interview kay Kong Arjo tungkol sa issue na ito. Kaya para po matahimik ng lahat na ang kumakalat na mga issue ay fake news lamang. Kasi madami kasing mga magaling magsalita at magaling.
Aware ka naman na being a politician, di ba? Sa showbiz maintriga na. So, sa politics maintriga pa rin. So, nung may mga kumalat na parang sinasabi na hiwalay na kayo ni Maine, anong first naging reaction mo ba?
About that?
Alam niyo naman po yung mga bashers at sa mga nasa politika. Ngayon na, pa-election na, pakuha man na paninira na. So there's nothing true about that. Like, lahat naman po ata ngayon ng mga tao, no? Kakalabasan, fake news ka. And I'm like, you can't base it off, what they call this, social media.
Yes.
You have to read facts. You have to back it up. So, galing. If you can't believe it because you don't have a proof. Like a very good example to the people. Paano mo huhulihin kung wala kang pruweba? How could you? So, logic. Anyways, yun lang po. I don't like the fact that it's spread. It's not true. We're living happily and yun lang po, mga patutsara lang yan ng mga
Feeling mo politically motivated.
mga politically motivated.
Natatawa ka ba dun sa issue? Natatawa ka sa issue kasi though kinlaro mo lang walang katotohanan, no? Nilalabas yung pangalan ni Sue Ramirez about
Saan po?
ni Sue Ramirez. Nadadawit yung pangalan niya. Natatawa ka na lang ba dyan sa issue na yan?
Opo. Much respect to Sue and her boyfriend. And Sue is a good friend as well. Wala namang kung ganang relasyon or anything. And if there's anyone to announce our relationship, and whatever, kunyari may nangyari po, that's for us to announce.
Yes.
Not for anyone. And at the same time, it also goes to other couples. These people should stop putting all this bashing online, especially for us na mga, of course, in politics, ang nasa nakapalipaligid na forma-forma. Saan, of course, taking it politically, hindi tira-tira mo ganyan. Again, it's not true. So, I'm gonna waste my time on those people.
Kasi Maine, anong naging reaction niya? Natawa na lang din ba siya?
Hindi nga po. Parang we
Sanay na.
don't bother. It's a waste of time.
Yes, tama.
It's not true. Diba? So why would I waste my time? I have a lot to do. My morning starts early. I have to go to work. I'm not gonna about
Yes.
that. So much problems, especially, of course, with what we deal with. Tapos they're gonna say all these things. No, it's not. Of course, me and my wife are very much okay. Very much happy.
Okay.
Yun lang po. Of course, there are people who called in, nakaabot sa akin. Of course, I have to explain. Isa-isa na naman.
Yung family mo, sila mami mo, na-bother ba sila? Natawag?
Of course not. Mayroon pong totoo. Of course, ako naman po natawag bago pa lang ako sa
Para sa
Ayan.
sa kanila.
Kasi our family is very close naman. Same as to other families. We're very much open. Pero again, sa amin po, wala po. It's just, feeling ko po talaga sa political,
Kasi kayo may motivated.
wala pong magawa. Yun lang po. They're trying to
Fake